Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we are currently standing in the office building of 1771st in Highland Park, Illinois. Now look at this amazing atrium that this place has. I like the contrast of red and yellow. Kind of reminds me of McDonald's in a way. But the main focus, of course, are these amazing glass elevators that this building has. But these elevators were originally Westinghouse that sadly got modernized by ThyssenKrupp. So for me, I missed the mod, but luckily people like Alex, aka Wisconsin Sirens and Elevators, and Jason, aka St. Louis Elevators, have filmed them before the mod. So if you want to check out their takes of it, links will be in the description. But for now, we're going to ride the sadly modded Westinghouse elevators. As you can see, these elevators serve quite a lot of floors, but sadly, to access those floors, you need like a badge. But since we don't have a badge, we won't be able to go up to the highest floor possible. But we'll probably go up to at least that floor up there. Wow, look at the shaft of these elevators. Isn't it just amazing, or what? Alright, well anyways, with that said, let's go take a ride on them. And yep, as you can see, they got modded by ThyssenKrupp. No! We got this one right here. So we're gonna head to, I don't think we can go 7. Nope. 6, 5. Okay, yeah, 4 is the highest floor we can go to. Here are 4. Seem to rattle a bit going up. So now let's go down to 1. Can ring the bell from inside. And then we'll go down. Yeah, if we could go up higher, we would have blasted past that window. So here I write down 1. I'm going to send this one up to 4 and then get the right one up right here, which is parked up at 6. We'll actually watch this one come down from out here. You see the left one's going up and the right one's going down. And here it descends to 1. So in this elevator we're gonna, well, I shouldn't care to get cab view, but yeah, see if all these floors are locked. So at this point I missed a mod, but it is what it is. Anyways, here are 4. Right there is where the risk indicator used to be. So while we're up here, I'll get a look down the shaft. Here's looking 3 floors down. Here's looking into the other shaft for the building. Oh, yep, as you can see, it definitely goes higher up. Also an elevator too. This thing's probably gonna nudge if someone calls it. This is that. Now I'm gonna send it down. Oh, we're going up. Ooh, let's see how far we go up. Oh wait, no, never mind. Got my hopes up for no reason. Let's get cab view. This is what the cabs look like currently. It's missing a tray on the ceiling for a light. Only has 2 out of 3. So, anyways, there's your indicator. There's the other elevator. Your speaker, fixtures, your phone, and your inspection certificate if you want to pause to read. Now we're going to take a quick look up the shaft from here. Now the elevator is going to nudge mode, but it looks like someone called it. So there's looking up. He's looking down towards the pit. And now we're going to let the elevator go. Notice that the number goes out when the elevator goes into nudge mode. So watch this go up. Only went up 1 floor. Maybe we can send this one up to 4 so we can get a better view of it. If we can get it. Oh, never mind. Never mind, it left. I'll stop the video for now and start again when I can get a better view of it going up. Alright, here the elevator is. We'll send up to 4. You can get a view of it. There it goes up to 4. I'm not going to film it going down because there's someone in it, but here's the pit right there. You got the buffers, you got the piston, which means these are in ground. The guide rails. That's kind of interesting how the shaft has a mixture of blue and orange, but this part of the lobby has a mixture of red and yellow. So I do like the color schematics here in this atrium. Oh, and did I mention that both the benches in the lobby and the outer doors on the shaft side of the elevators are painted green? And yeah, before we end the video, I'm going to show you the fire alarm system. An older simplex unit right there. That was Pyrotronics Pulse Station, which bought out Siemens in the 90s. So yeah, there's that. And now we're going to end the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and that'll be it.